Okay, I just got something super cool in today. Let's unbox this Chrome extension from AppSumo. I'm genuinely excited to try this out. It claims to analyze website styles instantly. No coding or source code digging required. Perfect for web designers, digital marketers, UI/UX pros. Let's see what it actually looks like on Chrome. I'm opening the Chrome web store right now. Here's the extension. Sleek and simple interface. Installing took literally 2 clicks. Super easy. All right, let's pick a random website to test. I'm going with a popular design blog homepage. Clicking the extension icon in the toolbar. Whoa! It instantly pulls up the style details. You get font info, color palettes, spacing, everything. No more right-clicking and inspecting messy code. I love how clean the results panel looks. It even highlights specific CSS rules visually. Let's try another site. Maybe an e-commerce store. Again, just one click and all the styles appear. You can copy color codes directly. Super handy. I'm impressed by how fast it analyzes everything. Switching between websites is seamless. No lag. Now, let's talk about the features in detail. First, instant style analysis with zero coding needed. Second, the UI is intuitive, no learning curve. Third, it breaks down typography, colors, spacing. Fourth, you can export style info for reference. Fifth, it works on any website, not just static ones. Sixth, you save tons of time versus manual inspection. Seventh, it's lightweight, doesn't slow your browser. Eighth, perfect for creating mood boards or client decks. Ninth, it helps spot design trends instantly. 10th, you can compare multiple sites side by side. Honestly, this feels like a must-have for designers. If you're a digital marketer, you'll love the insights. UI/UX pros can reverse engineer competitor designs easily. I wish I'd had this during my last redesign project. It would have saved me hours of manual work. Let's check if there are any drawbacks. So far, I haven't found any major issues. Maybe advanced users want even deeper CSS features. But for most, this covers all the essentials. The extension is regularly updated, which is reassuring. Support is responsive. Quick replies to my questions. I definitely recommend this for your workflow, especially if you analyze lots of websites daily. It's a huge time saver and stress reliever. If you're on the fence, just try the free trial. You'll know within minutes if it fits your needs. I'm keeping this in my daily toolkit for sure. You can grab it now on AppSumo, link below. Don't miss out if you're serious about web design. Thanks for watching my unboxing and review today. Drop any questions in the comments. I'll answer them. See you in the next review. Happy designing.